Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Philips Fidelio headphones with your Android device. So first of all, you have to use this power button. It's located just right here. You have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking. Right now release, and all you have to do right now is to open the Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device, and you have to select your Philips Fidelio L3 from the list. Accept the pairing request. And right now you have to open the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Philips. And we have to get this application, the Philips headphones. Right now we can open it, accept all these permissions that will pop on your screen. Click X right here, accept the permissions, and as you can see, thanks to the previously connection, we can find already our Philips Fidelio L3. But in my case, the application it's right now not working. Okay, right now everything is fine, and as you can see, right now we can find our headphones in the application. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.